Hello, this is Dr. Victoria Scarborough, and this is your astrological weather for Thursday, April 23rd. Today the moon shifts into Cancer. When the moon is in Cancer, our primary concerns are security, especially emotional security. The sun right now is in Taurus, and Taurus is also concerned about security. But unlike Cancer, Taurus's security is a little bit more based on practical concerns, such as, you're having a roof over your head, having enough food in your belly, being able to survive and then ultimately thrive. The connection between the sun and the moon today is opportunistic, so we have an opportunity to kind of open the lines of communication about how best to move forward to find our both physical and emotional security. What's interesting is that the sun and the moon in this connection actually make a aspect to Saturn. They create what we call a yod, or a finger of God. Yods are irritating aspects. It's an aspect pattern, and so we are challenged with the yod. We are challenged to make adjustments. And Saturn right now is in Sagittarius. Saturn is the structure of our reality, and Sagittarius is our beliefs. So how is our reality structured by our beliefs, and how can we make adjustments in both our belief, the structure of our beliefs, in order to have security? Now this works on both ends of the spectrum. We have those people who are trying to bring heaven on earth in a very kind of hedonistic, utopian way. And so they need to make some adjustments when it comes to the reality of things and what needs to be done. It can't just be an idea in out in the ethers. We need to actually do something. And then there are those who are so security minded that all those people that are unlike them are enemies. That is also not the way that we're going to move forward in this time. So it takes some adjusting on both sides, but know that ultimately we can move through this time, and we need to be willing to really look at what we really need, and also need to be considerate of those we share the planet with, not just people, but animals, plants, trees. We're in an ecosystem here, and we need to find respect for all of it. Yesterday was Earth Day, remember, and with the sun in Taurus, it really is all about living on the planet. So have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.